Hey there everyone, Chet here. In this video, we're comparing Printify and Shopify in the easiest way possible. If you're confused about what each one does, you're in the right place. So by the end, you will know exactly which one fits your business better. But before we start, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store in the right way, check the link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer. You'll also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Now let's get started. First, let me give you a quick overview of both platforms. Printify is a print on demand service. It lets you create custom products, upload your designs, and have everything printed and shipped for you. You never have to handle inventory or packing. It's perfect for creators, beginners, and anyone really who wants to sell designs without running a full warehouse. On the other hand, Shopify is a full e-commerce platform where you build your own online store, customize your site, take payments, track orders, and manage everything in one dashboard. While Printify handles the product, Shopify handles the entire store. Let's talk about features. Printify gives you a simple design tool, a large catalog of products, and access to many print providers so that you can choose the best price and location. It takes care of printing and shipping automatically after a customer buys something. Meanwhile, Shopify focuses on helping you build and grow your store. You get lots of themes, marketing tools, SEO settings, analytics, checkout features, and the ability to sell anything you want. Shopify also has a huge app store and one of the best online management systems available. Printify helps you create and fulfill the product. Shopify helps you sell it. Now let's look at ease of use. Printify is very simple. You choose a product, upload your design, and publish it to your store. There are not many settings to worry about, so beginners can learn it really in minutes. Shopify is also beginner friendly, but it has a lot more features, so it takes a little longer to set up. You might spend time choosing themes, adding apps, setting up payments, and customizing your store. If you want something quick and simple, Printify feels easier. If you want full control in a long-term store, Shopify gives you more power. Next up, integration. Printify works smoothly with Shopify, Etsy, eBay, Wix, and other platforms. Most people actually use Printify inside of Shopify because the connection is fast and automatic. Shopify also integrates with thousands of tools from shipping apps to marketing apps. So if you want the most flexibility, Shopify gives you more options. Now let's talk about pricing. Printify has 3 plans, which include free at $0 per month, premium starts at $29 per month, and enterprise has custom pricing. Shopify offers basic for $25 per month, grow for $65 per month, advanced for $399 per month, and plus for $2,300 per month on a long-term contract. So which one do you choose? If your only goal is to sell print-on-demand products with the simplest setup, Printify is the better pick. It's affordable, easy, and removes all of the stress of packaging and shipping. But if you want to build a complete online store with your own branding and more business tools, Shopify is a stronger choice. And if you want the best of both worlds, the most common and most successful option is using Printify and Shopify together. There you go. All right, that's it for today's video rather. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check the link below. You'll unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helps you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.